look up at the sky. Chances are that airplane you see is a Boeing. From the largest international airports to the smallest regional runways, Boeing's presence is everywhere. Their aircraft have become a symbol of modern travel, connecting people and places across continents and cultures. For over a century, Boeing has built the planes that connect our world. Their journey began in 1916, and since then, they've shaped the way we experience flight, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. They don't just make passenger jets. They build spacecraft that reach beyond our planet and defense technology that helps keep nations safe. Boeing's innovations touch nearly every corner of the aerospace industry. Before Boeing, crossing an ocean took weeks. Now it's just hours. Their aircraft have shrunk the world, making it possible for families, friends, and businesses to connect faster than ever before. Boeing's innovations have made flying safer, faster, and more comfortable. From advanced materials to cutting-edge avionics, every detail is designed with the passenger and crew in mind. Their story is about big dreams and changing the world. It's about engineers, designers, and builders coming together to turn imagination into reality, one aircraft at a time. Every Boeing plane carries hopes, adventures, and the work of thousands. Each flight is the result of dedication, expertise, and a shared vision for the future of flight. From first sketch to final bolt, it's a team effort. The process is a blend of creativity, precision engineering, and relentless testing to ensure every plane is ready for the skies. Today, we'll explore Boeing's history, meet its visionary founder, William Boeing, and see how a small company grew into an aviation giant that changed the world. We'll look at where they operate, the planes they build, and the impressive numbers behind their global success. From bustling factories to busy runways, Boeing's impact is everywhere. This is a story of courage, ambition, and reaching for the sky. It's about overcoming challenges and daring to dream bigger with every generation. Ready to take flight? Let's dive into the world of Boeing. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious, there's something here for everyone. Let's get started. Boeing's story begins with William E. Boeing, a visionary who started as a timberman and transformed into an aviation pioneer. Born in 1881, Boeing grew up fascinated by technology and the promise of the new century. His early years in the Pacific Northwest, surrounded by forests and innovation, shaped his curiosity and drive. In 1910, he attended an air show and saw his first airplane soar above the crowd. The sight of that fragile machine defying gravity sparked something deep within him. He was instantly hooked, captivated by the possibilities of flight and the idea that humans could conquer the skies. When he tried to get a ride in one of those early planes and was turned down, Boeing didn't give up. Instead, he saw an opportunity. If he couldn't fly in someone else's plane, he would build his own. He poured his energy and resources into learning everything he could about aircraft design and construction. Teaming up with Navy engineer George Westervelt, Boeing set out to create something new. Together, they designed and built the B&W seaplane, an innovative craft made of wood, linen, and wire. It was a bold experiment, blending their skills and daring to push the boundaries of what was possible. In 1916, their creation finally took flight over Seattle's Lake Union. The moment was electric, a testament to their determination and ingenuity. The successful flight marked the beginning of a new era, not just for Boeing, but for aviation itself. That same year, Boeing took another leap of faith. He founded his own company in a modest red boathouse on the shores of Lake Union. It was a humble start, but the boathouse quickly became a hub of creativity and ambition. By 1917, the company had grown and was renamed the Boeing Airplane Company. The new name reflected Boeing's expanding vision and his commitment to building not just planes, but a future shaped by flight. William Boeing saw airplanes as more than just machines for daring stunts. He imagined them as tools for progress, delivering mail, connecting distant cities, and shrinking the world. He believed that aviation could change the way people lived and worked. Boeing's first major contract was to fly mail between Seattle and Victoria, British Columbia. This route proved that airplanes could be practical, reliable, and essential for communication and commerce. It was a turning point that showed the world what aviation could achieve. From these humble beginnings, the Boeing company grew rapidly. New designs, new factories, and new ideas propelled the company forward, attracting talented engineers and dreamers from across the country. Boeing's vision helped make the world smaller and more connected. His airplanes carried people and goods across continents, opening up new possibilities for travel, trade, and understanding. He wasn't just building planes, he was building the future, Every blueprint, every rivet, and every test flight was a step toward a world where flight was for everyone. William Boeing's boldness and unwavering belief in the power of flight set the stage for everything the company would become. His leadership inspired a generation of innovators and risk-takers. One man's dream took off and changed the world forever. The legacy of William Boeing is not just in the planes that bear his name, but in the spirit of exploration and progress that continues to define aviation. That's how Boeing's extraordinary journey began, a story of vision, courage, and the relentless pursuit of flight. Boeing's story begins in Seattle, Washington, a city known for its innovation and pioneering spirit. It was here in the early 20th century that William Boeing founded the company, setting the stage for a century of aviation breakthroughs. The very first Boeing airplanes were built in a modest red boathouse on the shores of Lake Union. This humble workshop became the birthplace of what would become one of the world's most influential aerospace companies. For decades, Seattle and the nearby city of Everett were the beating heart of Boeing's manufacturing empire, producing legendary aircraft that changed the way people travel and connect across the globe. In 2001, Boeing made a bold move, relocating its headquarters to Chicago. The decision was driven by a desire for a more central U.S. location, better access to customers, and a fresh perspective for the company's leadership. But the journey didn't stop there. In 2022, Boeing shifted its headquarters once again, this time to Arlington, Virginia, just outside Washington, D.C., placing itself at the crossroads of government, policy, and industry. Being close to the nation's capital allows Boeing to work more closely with key partners like the U.S. government, NASA, and the Department of Defense, strengthening its role in both commercial and defense aviation. Even as the headquarters moved, Boeing's roots in Washington state remain strong. The massive factories in Everett and Renton continue to employ thousands, building some of the world's most advanced airplanes. Boeing's reach has also expanded to South Carolina, where the state-of-the-art 787 Dreamliner is assembled in Charleston, showcasing the company's commitment to innovation and growth across the U.S. In St. Louis, Missouri, Boeing operates major facilities dedicated to defense and military aircraft, playing a vital role in national security and advanced aerospace technology. Today, Boeing's presence stretches from coast to coast, with research centers, manufacturing plants, and innovation hubs scattered across the country, each contributing to the company's legacy. It's not just about a single city or building. It's a vast network of talented people and cutting-edge technology, all working together to shape the future of flight. Boeing's spirit of innovation is woven into every location, from bustling factories to high-tech research labs, driving progress in aviation and beyond. No matter where the headquarters is, Boeing's impact is truly global. Its aircraft connect people, businesses, and nations on every continent. From commercial airliners to military jets and spacecraft, Boeing's creations are a testament to its enduring legacy. Let's take a closer look at what they build. Boeing is best known for its commercial jets, like the 737, 777, and 787 Dreamliner. These planes range from single-aisle workhorses to long-haul giants crossing continents. But Boeing also builds advanced military aircraft fighter jets, like the F-15, and F/A-18 cargo planes like the C-17, and refueling tankers. Their defense division supports the U.S. military and allies worldwide. Boeing's reach goes beyond Earth. They helped build the Saturn V rocket for Apollo, and now develop spacecraft like the CST-100 Starliner for NASA. They also make satellites, helicopters, and unmanned systems. If it flies, Boeing probably had a hand in it. Their expertise covers commercial defense and space technology. Boeing shapes how we travel, protect, and explore. From the skies to space, their impact is everywhere. Let's look at the numbers behind this giant. Onward. Boeing's market value is massive, over $110 billion as of 2025. This number reflects investor confidence in Boeing's future and its global influence. Their assets include huge factories, advanced tech, and thousands of patents. Boeing's financial strength lets them invest in new aircraft and space tech. The market cap rises and falls, but Boeing's role in travel and defense keeps it strong. Their value impacts jobs, suppliers, and entire industries. Boeing's worth is more than a number. It's a symbol of its legacy. Now let's meet the people behind the planes. Boeing's real power is its people, over 170,000 employees worldwide. Engineers, mechanics, software developers, test pilots, and sales teams all work together. Their skills range from designing new jets to assembling them with precision. Boeing invests in training and values safety, quality, and integrity. Every employee, from the factory floor to the design lab, plays a vital role. Their teamwork drives innovation, like the 787's lightweight materials and advanced avionics. Each plane is a tribute to their dedication and expertise. Boeing's global family is what makes the company soar. Let's see how all this translates into big business. On to the numbers. Boeing's 2024 revenue was about $78 billion, most from commercial airplanes. Profits returned after tough years, with $2.5 billion net income. Airlines worldwide order new jets, while governments buy defense systems and satellites. Boeing's Global Services division supports planes already flying. Strong revenue means more investment in future aircraft and technology. When Boeing thrives, so does global travel and trade. Their financial health drives innovation and growth. Now let's spotlight their most famous plane. Boeing's masterpiece is the 737, the world's best-selling jetliner. Since the 1960s, over 15,000 have been ordered and more than 11,000 delivered. The 737 is the backbone of short and medium flights worldwide. Its versatility and efficiency make it a favorite for airlines and passengers. Boeing keeps improving it. Newer models like the 737 MAX offer better fuel efficiency and comfort. The 737's success shows Boeing's commitment to innovation and meeting customer needs. It's a symbol of safe, reliable, affordable air travel. The 737 didn't just change Boeing, it changed the airline industry. But Boeing's achievements go even further. Let's look at their greatest hits. Boeing's legacy includes icons like the 747 Queen of the Skies, the first jumbo jet, revolutionizing global travel. They helped launch the Apollo missions, building the Saturn V rocket's first stage. Boeing's engineering made moon landings possible. The 787 Dreamliner, built with composite materials, set new standards for efficiency and passenger comfort. Today, CEO Dave Calhoun leads Boeing, focusing on safety, quality, and innovation. Under his leadership, Boeing is stabilizing production and pushing boundaries for the next generation. Boeing's story is one of ambition, resilience, and shaping the future of flight. Their achievements inspire the world to dream bigger. And that's the incredible journey of Boeing. Thanks for joining us on this flight.